Hi students, sixth problem in ray optics. Monochromatic light of wavelength lambda 1 traveling in a medium of refractive index n1 enters a denser medium of refractive index n2. Its wavelength in the second medium has to be determined. Yes, regarding this type of problems, strongly one very important information I want to remind you. What is that? Whenever light traveling in one medium enters into another optical medium, which are the characteristics of the wave changes? Immediately when it changes the medium, its speed will change or its velocity will change. Also its wavelength will change. But which characteristic property will never change is its frequency. Okay, now in the first medium, I will write in the first medium, what is its refractive index? The refractive index of the first medium is taken as n1. So this is equal to velocity of light in air, that is c, divided by velocity of light in the first medium. Is it not? So this expression we had been studying right from class 10th. So c is the velocity of light in vacuum divided by v1 is the velocity of light in the first medium. Okay, this is once again written as c divided by f into lambda 1. C equal to velocity is equal to the product of frequency into wavelength, is it not? So in the first medium the frequency is f. In the first medium the wavelength is lambda 1. So v1 can be replaced by f into lambda 1. So this is now equation 1. Similarly, in the second medium, when the light is entering into the second medium, once again a similar equation I will write. The refractive index n2 is equal to velocity of light in vacuum divided by velocity of light in the second medium. Is it not? So this is now equal to c divided by frequency f into wavelength lambda 2. This is equation 2. So now its wavelength in the second medium, that is lambda 2, has to be found, is it not? So I am going to take the ratio on the left hand side, n1 by n2. So n1 divided by n2 is now equal to c divided by f lambda. So c divided by f into lambda 1 multiplied by f into lambda 2 divided by c. So which are the factors getting cancelled? C get cancelled and f also get cancelled. So we get what? The ratio lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. Is it not? So what we require is lambda 2 only. Its wavelength in the second medium is taken as lambda 2. So lambda 2 by lambda 1, okay? Or lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to n1 by n2. Therefore, what is lambda 2 is now equal to lambda 1 into n1 by n2. Yes, this is the answer. So, which of the options is correct? You see here option 1 is lambda 2 equal to lambda 1 into n1 by n2. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. So it is quite easy now, okay? You have to remember the relationship between the refractive index and the velocity of light in a medium first. So from there, after substituting, we have got the answer now, lambda 2 equal to lambda 1 into n1 by n2. Very simple, okay? So this type of problem also has been asked many times in the Neet and JEE. I hope you must have understood them fine.